I'm at Iroquois Park on a rainy Monday morning. I just fed the cat. It lives at the other end of this pond. This pond is next to New Cut, which is over there, and is part of the disc golf course. The cat lives down there. I just fed the cat and now I'm hiking up this hill on my way to the North Overlook and Summit Field. It's still sprinkling a little bit. Now I'm hiking up the Corbly Trail. I'm almost to Sullivan Grove. I can see it from here. I'm at Sullivan Grove. Now I'm on my way to the North Overlook. Now I'm approaching the North Overlook. I'm glad it stopped raining. I'm zooming in on downtown Louisville and Churchill Downs. It's a little foggy up here. I'm leaving the North Overlook and I'm on my way to Summit Field. I'm on Top Hill Road and I'm getting ready to enter Summit Field. It's quiet and peaceful up here. It is beautiful up here. Look at all the goldenrod and the boneset. And the blue mist flowers. This is boneset. And there's a lot of boneset and goldenrod over there. This is mostly partridge pea in this area. There's some flowers and some pea pods. There's a buckeye butterfly, a common buckeye butterfly. Now I'm going to check out the pond that's next to the rustic pavilion. I see a few frogs. There's another one. Got enough frog pictures and video. I'm going to take off. I see a monarch butterfly. I wished it would open its wings, but I don't think it's going to. I hear the birds singing. There's some up in that tree, but I don't see them. There's a bumblebee on a thistle flower. There's another bumblebee on a different thistle flower. Look at all the partridge pea flowers and pea pods. And there's some more over here. I found some ironweed. I'm passing this pond again, and as you can see, it's raining pretty hard. The little frogs don't mind. I see a bumblebee on this goldenrod. It's getting darker. I think it's going to rain some more. So I'm going to head to my car. I just left Summit Field and I'm on Top Hill Road. I'm getting ready to leave Top Hill Road. I'm going to hike back this way to get down to my car. I know it's going to start raining here pretty soon, but that's alright. I have my umbrella today. Yesterday I didn't have my umbrella and I got soaked. Hopefully I can get down to my car before it starts pouring down. It's pretty dark right now. I'm taking a little break at Rita's Point. I'm getting ready to hike down that hill. I'm on my way down this hill. It's still not raining. See some deer in front of me. I saw at least 3. There could have been more. These are does. One of them was up on its way up here, but then it turned around. It's down there somewhere. They just ran off down the hill, but I don't see them anymore. Now, where did those rascals go? I crossed the gully and I saw them run off over there. I probably won't see them again. I'm going to cross this gully. I'm looking around, but I don't see them anywhere. I always say this, but they get up and down these hills a lot faster than I do. I saw them running off over there, so they're staying ahead of me. I'm gonna hike up this hill now. Up I go. It's still not raining, because if it was, I'd be down on Rundle Road by now. And I wouldn't be hiking up this hill. Now I'm hiking the high ground. Feels pretty humid. I finished hiking the high ground. Now I'm on my way down this hill. I think those does were headed in this direction, but you never know what they're going to do. They could be over there bedded down somewhere. I see a doe in front of me. This might be the does I saw earlier. I thought they were heading in this direction. Where are the others? There they are. One over there. There's another one. I see 3 of them. There's 2. There could be more. There goes one running away. There goes another one. I don't know how good this video is going to be. It's pretty dark in this area. I think those deer took off over there. And I'm getting close to Rundle Road. And it's still not raining. Well, they just crossed that gully and they're over there somewhere. But I don't see them. And I'm definitely not going to go over there and look for them. Getting close to Rundle Road. I can see it from here. Down to Rundle Road. And the sun is out. I can see the golf course over there. I'm going to take the horse trail that runs next to the golf course back to my car. I'm parked at the golf course parking lot. It is time for this old man to go home.